How to set up a vehicle idling alert on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle is idling for too long? You can do that by setting up a vehicle idling alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a vehicle idling alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Select the Alerts module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Vehicle Idling Alert. Select Vehicle Idling Alert, and then click View Alert Settings under Vehicle Idling Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Now select sub-user name and vehicle group name to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected vehicle idling alert in the form of real-time notifications. Enter the minimum duration, in minutes, for considering idling. This will send you alerts only if the vehicle is idling for more than the specified duration. For example, I am limiting the idling duration to 20 minutes. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the web, mobile app, or email. Check the option under the Trips section if you want to receive alerts only when the vehicle is on a trip. Click on Set Alert to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many vehicle idling alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's Fleet and Asset Management System, write to us at hi@loconav.com.